If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the Chappan Bhog series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Khua Manda. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, then 3/4 cups of jaggery or gur, which is separately taken in 1/4 cup and half a cup, and why I will tell you later. Then 4 tablespoons of ghee, a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now take a large pan and in that add about half of the ghee, add about 2 cups of milk. Now bring this to boil on high flame, then reduce the flame to medium and keep the flame constant at this temperature, because we need to reduce the milk to a thick consistency. So as of now, it requires occasional stirring. When the quantity is almost half, then it requires continuous stirring. And if you have non-stick pan just like this, then it will be easy for you. So after some time, you will get something like this. And this is nothing but rabdi. But we need a thick consistency. So for that, keep stirring and keep reducing it. And when you reach at this stage, lower the flame to low, and we don't need to cook further, just add the jaggery and combine it really well with the reduced milk. Now transfer this into a bowl or something. Then in the same pan or in another pan, take the rest of the ghee and first add the half cup jaggery or gur, followed by 2 tablespoons of water, so it will be easy for the gur to melt. And once it's completely melted, add the salt in the atta or wheat flour. Lower the flame to medium to low and mix it up really well. This will take some time, but keep doing it so you will not have any lumps. And once it's well combined, add the khoya or mawa that we prepared earlier, and again combine it really well over medium to low flame. Once it's done, switch off the flame and let it cool down for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, take a small portion in your hand just like this and make a ball. That's it. Now similarly make others. Now take a steamer and place all of them in it. Then take roughly about 1.5 cup as per the steamer size I am using. Bring this to boil. Then place the top layer and cover it and let it steam for roughly about 15 minutes and it will be done. And that's it. One of the Mahaprasad Khua Manda. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.